Marcela, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to do a really cute hairstyle. It has some beautiful details. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And let us know in the comments down below what you think. I hope you like it as well. And of course, leave us a big thumbs up. Let's start.
First of all, as always, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. I'm going to apply just one drop all along the hair and especially in the ends. Now I'm going to comb the hair and look how shiny it is. The hair looks gorgeous and feels so smooth and detangled. I love this formula, guys, it's really a life changer. Okay, now for the hairstyle, we're going to split the hair in half from the forehead to the neck. And on this side, we're going to do another division from where we started the first one. And we're going to bring it back to the middle of the head. Perfect. Separate the hair very well. And don't worry, the division doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to hold this section. Now grab the bottom part, comb it very well, and we're going to hold it with an elastic band. Perfect. When you're ready on this side, do the same thing with the other section of hair. Next, we're going to grab this section on this side and we're going to do another division almost from the crown and bring it down. As you can see, it looks like a triangle here. And now we're going to split this section in half. Perfect. Now hold this section aside. And now we can start braiding. From the top, we're going to grab a tiny piece of hair and we're going to do a Dutch braid, crossing the outside strands under the middle one. We're going to add hair from both of the sides. And again, cross the outside strand under the middle, add hair to the braid, and from the other side, cross under and add a tiny piece of hair. As you can see, the key for this hairstyle is adding the hair in really tiny pieces so the braids will look really defined at the end. Now keep adding the remaining hair and hold the braid with an elastic. Okay, as you can see, we're going to hold the braid just where the division is. And now we can grab the other section and we're going to do the same braid. We're going to hold it with an elastic as well. And now we're going to do the same thing on this side. This part is a little repetitive as we have to do 4 braids, but at the end you will see that it's worth it. Okay, this is our last braid from the crown and look how gorgeous they look. For the next step, we're going to do another braid from this side. So grab a small piece of hair, split it into 3 equal sections, and again start doing a Dutch braid. And this time we're going to grab hair and adding it to the braid from this side. cross the outside strands under the middle, and again add hair from the top. We're going to keep doing the braid all along the division and just adding hair from the top section. Okay, in here we almost reached the braids. So in here we're going to grab the remaining hair from this braid, add it to the braid that we are doing, and hold the strands firm. Now add the next braid as well. And in here we're not gonna add any more hair. We're going to just keep braiding like a regular braid until we reach the opposite ponytail. Perfect. In here, hold them together with an elastic. Good, now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Okay, in here, if you want, you can leave the hair just like that, or as I'm doing today, I'm going to do a 4th strand braid. I already did one. I'm going to explain with this section how you can do it. So first of all, we're going to split the ponytail in 4 pieces. And as you can see, this section will be thinner than the other ones. I'm going to start from the right side, crossing this strand over and under the next one. Now from the left side, this strand cross under and over the thin strand. Again, from the right side, cross over, under the thin strand, and now from the left side, we're going to cross this strand under and over the thin strand again. Perfect. From the right side, again, cross this strand over and under, and from the left side, we cross under and over. One more time, from the right side, cross over, under. Perfect. And now from the left side, we cross under and over. It could look a little difficult at the start, but when you're used to it, you will do this braid so quickly, and it's one of my favorites. I love it. In here, we can keep braiding until we reach the end. Hold the braid with an elastic. Next, we are going to go back and pull the braid from the sides a little bit to give it some more volume. And that's all, guys. Look how gorgeous is this hairstyle. I really like it. Perfect to have all the hair up and out of the face during the whole day.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this hairstyle. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well, and help us sharing the video. See you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!